So I ran up to Harbor Freight real quick. Didn't want to spend a whole lot of money. And I grabbed this Central Machinery 5-inch swivel vise. Got a maximum 5-inch jaw opening. And it is a 5-inch heat treated replaceable jaws. And it does have the 3-inch by 3-inch anvil. I did not get the extended warranty on it. She told me I had 90 days to bring it back if I didn't like it or if something was wrong with it. I kept a receipt. I'm all the time using a vise. I just don't need a big vise. I don't use one like that, but I do need a smaller one. So I'm going to get this mounted and we'll try a couple of things on there and see what you think. I'm going to go ahead and use what I had my old one mounted with. These 3.5-inch long timber screws. It worked good on the old one. I've got some 2x4s underneath the table and it'd be really hard. I'd have to get some real long bolts if I was going to mount it with bolts, but we'll try these and see how it goes. Alright guys, I'm going to say that's real solid enough for me anyway. And I'm not going to really go crazy like forming metal or anything like that on it. So just holding 2x4s and some metal plates, I think this is going to be great. I was just checking real quick. My table is a little bit downhill and I'm not going to argue with this right here. I think for what I will be using it for, this is actually very good. So I'm going to live with that. Alright, I thought we'd give it a try. Kind of do something. I do a lot of drilling on wood and metal. So got me some scrap here. That is good and solid. I do like that. Thought we'd do a spade bit here real quick because they will beat something to death. Alright, next I figured we'd go with a 5/8 auger bit. Kind of see what that does. Okay, I thought I'd try a hand saw. I'm very pleased with everything so far. I do a lot of hand sawing. Try us a brad point bit for the wood. Now I will do a review here in about 2 or 3 months because I've got a lot of videos to do and I will be using this thing a lot. And you know, I might have a different opinion of it, but right now I'm a firm buy on it. I'm very happy with it. I did want to share a few things with you. It is the 5-inch swivel vise, the Central Machinery. I did get it at Harbor Freight. It has a clamping force of 6,600 pounds. Maximum opening is 5-inch. Your throat depth is 2 3/8 of an inch. It is made out of cast iron and it does weigh a whopping 20.5 pounds. And I will leave a link in the description if you'd like to purchase one. And check back in 2 or 3 months and we'll see where we go from there. Thank you guys and have a great weekend.